Hello traders, today is June 16th. It's a Thursday, the day after the craziness of the FOMC. My name is John Paul, founder of DayTradeToWin. I'm going to sell this market today as much and as hard as I can. It's about 12 o'clock. I'm going to put out this video in order for you guys to see this before the day is up. But before I begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Watch out, be careful. Trading is risky. Stocks, futures, Forex, it's all risky. So as we start here the day, the market is continuing lower, and the Atlas line software, proprietary software available at DayTradeToWin, is indicating that we're going to sell this market. And how do I know that? Because the price action is below the Atlas line. According to the rules, I want to be selling the market. Not just with the main signal you see here earlier in the day, 36.91 quarter it looks like. I want to sell the market with every strength trade and every pullback trade and every opportunity that I have. Even those of you who are using your own methods with the Atlas line, you have this as a great filter to sell the market. But we have to do it right. We're going to use time-based stops. We're going to use pivotal stops. We also have about 1,000 members that have joined the free member account. That's a great milestone. So those of you who have already joined the free member site, you can download the ABC indicator. You can learn the ABC method. You can get the news indicator. I have the news indicator up on my chart as well. So about 1,000 members so far. Great milestone. I'm happy you guys are learning and joining the DayTradeToWin family of traders. So pullback and strength trades. We're going to talk about the type of stops that exist, because it's not just selling the market. We also have to have a target, and we also have a specific stop. So let's just refer here a little bit to what are pivotal stops. Pivotal stops are a way to look at when you enter, where is the pivot. So if it does turn around, you are using that as a specific stop. It can't be that big. It has to be in relationship to the ATR. Again, we cover all these things in the classes that we have. If you have the Atlas line, you probably already know this information based on the training videos with the mentorship as well. But for those of you who don't know, take for example the strength trade you see just occurring just prior. If you go short on the strength trade, these S's, the highest high is a pivot. The market should not break that, and if it does, it's a stop. So we're going to use that as a pivotal stop. The same thing is true if you see a pullback trade, which is actually, there's a pullback trade happening right now, so I can actually show it to you as we speak. If the market breaks this P, these P's that you see, where the market turned around and headed back down, it went up, pulled back, came back down, we should not have the price break that. So remember, it's not just a target, it's also managing the trade. A lot of traders don't think about that. It's managing the trade with how much risk, how much stop, what is the type of stop you're using. We use time, we use pivots, we use catastrophic, and also based on the current conditions, I want to take about 3 points, 3.25 points on this trade. If you look down, there's the ATR, 3.25 points. I want to make sure that I'm using pretty much a one-to-one relationship, 3.25 points for my target. Even be a little bit more conservative. I tell everybody there's nothing wrong with being a little bit conservative by a tick or two. So I have this at 3.25 point target using the ruler. You can see that. I just have to adjust my pivotal stop. So I'm going to take the stop. I have 5 contracts on. I'm going to move that stop down to just above where you see the P's. The P's that you see there are the pivot where the market turned around, came back down. This is a pullback trade. The strength trade works very similarly. And now I have a great way to get out of the trade. If I'm wrong, if this trade fails, that would be the pivotal stop. That's what we're using. And the target just hit out of the trade. Done. 3.25 points, 5 contracts. Great little move on the pullback. We had these every single day. And again, not every trade is going to be a winning trade, but if you follow the rules, you'll be ahead. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Join the new accelerated mentorship class. It includes all this software, 8 weeks of live training, video training. We incorporate a whole module system and support. We install the software for you. We really try to help out our traders. If you have any questions, reach out, give us a call. I want to make sure that this program, We Teach Day Trading, is right for you. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.